ya which is zero na ta de pa shu ro ma jani lag me ro kuma ya sun lag me ro ma vi sha sun lag me ro ta ko khari yim ba de lag ro del ja jo na ro na de la so pa the income and expenses wa income and expenses ki wala zidwa ye chi ka je ju wa de chi ni da sum ge shi ju sum ki minus ka minus re they can't see you now enough the conflict as per the normal accounting standards, generally accepted accounting principles, amortization leverage yoga. Once you pay amortization, the amortization along with depreciation is listed before the net income in the income and expense report. The amortization, the amortization, the income and expense, the last final, the once you pay the financial statement number one. What cannot see Bidwa Namgi accounting statement, the financial statement, the those together. So while a young Joson, Kanji, and Joine, and some the current then operating income revenue minus expense, then other income, net income level. Right. Amortization, the depreciation, the near case of culture opposite. Culture law and case TCC, make your accounting. TCC financial statement number. Amortization be net income you want to dump case of boom potential. You are the you get a chamuchang, much in the twin and a town in Linga. Tinday no matter. Chin the decisions only. Accounting practices, Jeva. Amortization, the Kati, down the rule machine, Ma, one of the boom, don't show your man. That boom, put in the there's a lie, man, Hatsanana, Pagachuma. Pagachunga. You may Kazama, Kerala, Subshin gave Tangulas, not would it? Then Angola. Can't be Kesatona, Julia Melankashi. The JP financial statement, the manipulate share job. Chinge level. You by the audit report now, the Tata Kiers on in Lam. Chitam is anchored in North. Their financial statement manipulation, unprofessional, risky, chise nam se me leva, red flag in governance reta. Tan ye kichwa tae, council ne ye na mal garo chiro mal ne me sange chwa sama chukki ga. Tadi zipa ki nyunju surve, ye kichwa chigi council, zipa ki nyunju surve, karchin la na kanju chide dinga zipa yore. Volunteer gittiba frangi livelihood kura professional accountant de pede nunju surve yongsigirbe jiwainda niwade is this a tactic to make net income look better by hiding amortization below the line? Another question. Ye general meta net amortization the mawala beadi manipulation tactic with that. Is this an attempt to inflate reported of operational performance? The currency is here. So amortization the degree in a government leader, Mala kitchen, so fucking because you're not and the love dinner. So you took jail and done it. So what man here? What time the circuit sign? Children, this is a tear. Each we got the penetration, the is this incompetence? Is it manipulation? are they following CRA and ONCA standards? The last thing I would answer is no. Zero now. Breach of fiduciary duty in the context of charity. If it's done by a director, officer, or board member knowingly, it could be a violation of their fiduciary duty under the Ontario Not-for-Profit Corporation Act or the Income Tax Act. Yeah, last one, it's 10 years to not get that. The audit report now is so sunny. Children audit claim negative return machine. The negative return on the Yashuma Town, they won't let him get that. Directors have a duty of care, loyalty, and transparency, and misreporting financials could be considered gross negligence or misconduct. Number two, zero. Hari mana ten logo some feel chillish. Then some mother rasa because ATM la switch key ra key to digital renaissance. In sunny lane do pas gasse wala. In by ne can sunny lane do pas yawa in so so shinju chia so so lenge chagyota. Ye thari khari tendo ta thangs gacha ba ichi chi ta la imeta. Ye can so jembe shu. Unzu ge dia charge yoga joy and to ya putta leba. And then yodo mindo they can't style. Ye they council khari yimba ti tengi ba. Can nanga pe. Ye ne samlostanda. Ya shamme samlostanda ba. There ye töngo di marang su shayo yene. Rinzu changma ye kanji zira töngo di audit report ne ye su copy chin de shai. Ye number ya su mas su chemeta. Okay, legal and organizational risk under ONCA and CRA. Breach of fiduciary duty. Directors and officers must act honestly and in good faith with the duty of care, putting the organization's best interests first. Organization's best interest first, not a candidate's best interest first. Make sure you understand that. The financial statement departs to Jurigadi. So big to not bad. Get it to not bad. Some misleading financial statement. Financial statement must be prepared in accordance with Canadian accounting standards for non-profit organization. The cases CRA in a penalty career. Suspend receipt privileges. Once you have a total of judges known to receive just known to tax which is from Petova. So you tax Yashun this movement. The receipt of charitable status for teaching one. The receipt in Melchayota. Then, once you love, find the letter. Yevan. Check what's in her. Then, revoke charitable status. That is a sungswa. Charitable status, the name of my sungswa. The years to your month that the Canada tingle. Revocation is the nuclear option. It shuts down donations, grants, and credibility. The donation is not grants are not credibility is not